Oh, she's sad. Give loves. Aw, so sweet. Oh, yeah, pat. Aw, you make baby feel better. Oh.
Well, everyone has things that belong on their insides. Stuffy, lammy, and chili stuffing.
What are you doing?
Chili! You're supposed to have stuffing. You're a stuffed toy, remember?
Oh, yeah. Okay, never mind.
But, Boomer, you're a bouncy ball. And for you to bounce right, you need to be full of air.
Great. Thanks for the diagnosis. See ya.
Here are your display emotions.
Oh, she needs loves. Give loves. Oh, loves. Pat. Oh, you're so sweet. Oh, you make baby feel better. Oh, kisses.
Hold still for a second, Boomer.
You're so sweet. Is that your baby?
There. That's your stuffed belief.
Yeah. Yeah.
I still have to put
Oh, that's your Bubba.
No, that's all right. I'm good.
Bubba.
Have you ever been filled with air before? And you know how I'm going to do it.
I have a pretty good idea.
How are you going to do it, Doc? With this air pump.
And
Those are puppies.